Hey there, it's Teacher Mirza here, and today we have an important topic, demonstrative pronouns. This is a lesson for a level A1 or A2. Let's start. Demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? Well, these pronouns represent nouns according to their distance, if they are near us or if they are far away. Now, the function of them in a sentence is as the subject. So they will be at the beginning of the sentence. In this case, we have two categories. When we're talking about things that are near, and if we're talking about things that are far. When we're talking about things that are near, we use the following demonstrative pronouns. This and this. This and this. Okay? This is for singular and these are is for plural. The verb to be indicates if I'm talking about singular or plural. Remember, is for singular and are for plural. Now, the other pronouns is when I'm talking about things that are far away. Maybe I can look at them, but I cannot grab them with my hands. The pronouns are that is for singular and those are for plural. Okay? Now let's look at some examples to understand better. This is a dog. This is a dog. In this case, I'm using the singular form and I'm talking about things that are near, so that's why I'm using this. I only have one thing which I am referring to, so that's why I'm using this. That is a bird. On the contrary of the first example, maybe I can look at the bird, but I cannot touch the bird. So that's why I'm saying that is a bird. Maybe the bird is on a tree. The third example is the first one that indicates plural, and in this case we have these are apples. I have a lot of apples. Maybe I have them in my hands, in the table, but they are close to me. And finally, those are books. Books. I can look at the books. I'm saying, hey, those are books. I can point at them, but I cannot grab them, okay? So now we have some exercises and let's see if you can complete them correctly. The first one. Blank are my friends. Now, to have the correct answer, we have to look at the verb to be. Are is in plural, so we have the option these or those. Now, the arrow is telling me that they are far away. So which can be the answer? Exactly, the answer is those. Look! Those are my friends. Next one is my camera. The verb to be is in singular, so I have the option this or that. Now the arrow is telling me that it's close to me. So which I am going to choose? Yes, the correct answer is this is my camera. Okay, next one. Are my favorite flowers? Is the store where I bought them? I have two options here. First one, I have plural, and the second one is singular. Now, because I have the flowers in my hand, I can say these are my favorite flowers because they are near me. But in the second one, I am maybe pointing at the store that is far away because the arrow is telling us that. So I'm gonna use that. That is the store where I bought them. These are my favorite flowers. That is the store where I bought them. Okay, next one, we have a question here. So let's see, is it blank restaurant or blank one over there? So I'm thinking, which one is the correct answer? Is maybe this restaurant because it's singular? Or maybe is the other one. So maybe That one is far away. That, right? Is this restaurant or that one over there? Yes, exactly. That's the correct answer. Now the last one is, are my cookies? I asked for chocolate chips. I left them in the kitchen. So maybe I'm in the bedroom and my mom is telling me, hey, I'm gonna eat this cookie, and I'm yelling, hey, those are my cookies. I asked for chocolate chips. I left them in the kitchen. I know that they are far away, but I'm telling that those are my cookies. Okay, I hope that this video was helpful and that you learned something today. It was really nice to share with you this, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye and keep practicing English.